Fourth type, material. The jins. There are certain things for which the material has been fixed in the sunnah of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. For example, when we slaughter animals in Eid al-Adha, there are animals which are specified for sacrifice in Eid al-Adha. Now if a person says, no, these days people prefer chicken more. So same value. I will buy those many chickens and I'll sacrifice chickens in Eid al-Adha. Will it be accepted? No. Why? Material has changed. Only that material will be accepted which is approved by our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. For example, when people go in Hajj to the Jamarat and we need to throw the pebbles which are small, even the size has been specified in the Sunnah. We find specific hadiths which have given the size as a small pebble. Now there are some people who come especially from our part, from India and these areas, where people when they see the Jamarat, they say, oh, this is shaitan, and they get really charged. They get very angry and they start throwing their chappals and slippers and shoes. Now this is wrong. Why? Material has changed. What material is specified? Pebbles. If you throw pebbles, it is accepted. If you throw something else, fahuwara, that is rejected. Let's repeat. Time, number, place, material. Please repeat with me. Time, number, place, material.